Hey folks, welcome to the Add Timestamps to Google Sheets using Google Apps Script series. In this series, we'll be covering two different ways of adding timestamps to Google Sheet as soon as a change is made in the Google Sheet. So the part one is going to be where I'll be showing you how to add timestamps to Google Sheet using custom functions in Google Sheets. The part two will show you how to add timestamps to Google Sheets and add the email address of the user making the changes using the onEdit function in Google Apps Script. So let's get started. What are custom functions in Google Sheets? We all regularly use the built-in Google Sheet formulas such as sum, countif, and many more. What if I told you you can create your own custom formulas and run them in your Google Sheet? Yes, that is possible using custom functions. You can define how it works in Google Apps Script and then use it the same way you use all the built-in Google Sheet formulas. Before we create custom functions to add timestamps in Google Sheet, we're going to be writing a very basic custom function that will get you started. So I'm just going to be going to my script editor. I just opened this by going to my extensions and app script, and here I'm just going to be writing a small code here. So here I have written a script that accepts a parameter number 1 which goes into the sum where it adds it with 2 and then it returns this sum. So now we're going to be using this custom function in Google Sheets just like you use any other function in your Google Sheet by calling its name and using the cells as parameters. So I'm just going to create a new sheet here. I'm going to zoom in a bit. So here I'm going to be adding a number 8, and if I go here I'm just going to copy this same function and I'm going to go here, add the equal to sign, and here I'm going to be passing a1. I'm going to close the bracket, hit enter. Or maybe having the name sum which already has a formula in Google Sheets is wrong. I'm just going to say add numbers. Just going to copy this, go back here, just add an equal to sign, add it here, pass a1, close the brackets. And here you can see the final answer 10 has come. That means we passed 8 into the formula, we just added it to 2 and we have got 8 plus 2, 10. So this is how custom functions work in Google Sheets. They work just like any other inbuilt functions, but you can customize them to your own needs. So now that we've got a clear understanding of what custom functions are, we're going to be writing the custom functions to add timestamps to Google Sheet using custom functions. So this is the Google Sheet that I have here that has the package ID, quantity, and the date entered. So the user will add the package ID, quantity, and the date entered should automatically come. So we're going to be passing the quantity um, cell as a parameter in this formula where I add it, so that as soon as package ID and quantity is added, a date entered will get created. That is a timestamp will get created. So let's just go here and write the timestamp code. I'm going to open a new function. I'm going to be writing this as set timestamp. I'm going to open the curly braces. And this is going to be accepting one parameter from the Google Sheet. So I'm just going to name it as X. Then I'm going to be opening an if loop. This is to check whether the cell passed is empty or not. So if it is empty, I don't want to add a date, and if it is not, I would like to add a date. So if I do it's not equal to space, then I'm going to be returning a new date. I'll clear the spaces here. Just click on save. So our timestamp code is ready that accepts one parameter from the Google Sheet. Next, it passes that parameter in an if loop that checks whether it's empty or not. If the condition is met, it will return a new timestamp using the new date function. This means as soon as a new quantity or a new product is added with the ID and quantity, a new timestamp will be returned. So now we're done with our code. I think let's go ahead and check the output. So I'm just going to copy this set timestamp function. I'm going to go back to my Google Sheet and I'm just going to be adding it here into the date entered. Going to do equal to, open the bracket, pass b2 in this one, close the bracket and hit enter. You can see right now it's empty. There's nothing added here since I have not added anything here. So I'm just going to be doing my new package ID is YTR and its quantity is 45. And you can see 11:22 has successfully been added, but this is not looking good as a time. So we're just going to go to the C. I'm going to select this entire column, go to the format and go to number, and then just select the perfect. So I want a date and a time. Click on date time and you can see the date and time, that's 7:35:21. It's successfully been added. Now I'm just going to go drag this to all of them, and now it's added. So I will go here GFH, I'm going to 67, and the new timestamp is added. So this is how the custom functions work in Google Sheets. So this is all for this video. I hope you have understood how to add timestamps to Google Sheets using Google Apps Script and custom functions. I'll be leaving the code link and a custom functions documentation link in the description. You can check that out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.